Good morning. Today I will be introducing you to the intervention team for the Pinelands Regional School District. Over at the junior high school, we have Charlene Lentini, our 8th grade basic skills math teacher and INRS junior high chairperson. Jen Sorolick is the 8th grade basic skills language arts teacher. Maggie Brady is our 7th grade basic skills math teacher, and Drew Steelman is the 7th grade basic skills language arts teacher. Over at the high school, we have Amy Nass, our administrator, Melissa Gallagher, the math teacher and INRS high school chairperson. Jamie McKee is the basic skills language arts teacher, and Samantha Barreca is our math teacher. The role of the intervention team teachers is to support Title I students by providing push-in instruction to Title I students, conducting student observations, aiding in differentiated instructional strategies for Title I students, and developing student behavior modifications if needed. The INRS committee consists of Amy Nass, our INRS team leader, Melissa Gallagher, the high school chairperson, Charlene Lentini, the junior high school chairperson, Christine Thurber, the teacher that is creating the request for assistance, students guidance counselor, a CST member, and a SBYS member. The new INRS procedures. If you have a student who has been struggling, create an INRS request form in OnCourse. Write all responses using specific observable behavior and time frame. All forms are confidential and will be a permanent part of the student's file. Before you fill out the form, document classroom interventions, contact the guidance counselor, contact the parent or guardian. After the request for assistance form is complete, an INRS team member will interview the person requesting assistance. Teachers, guidance counselor, and school nurse will be asked to complete a form. After the data is collected, the INRS team will conduct a meeting to discuss student interventions. The teacher requesting assistance will be in attendance. Each teacher will access the action plan through OnCourse. Thank you all for viewing this video. If you have any questions, please seek out any one of the mentioned team members, and we will be more than happy to help you with any further questions.